Hi, Dr. Chad here bringing you FSD 3 in 3. The 3 things you need to know about the Fullerton School District in 3 minutes or less. Today we are pleased to bring you the M&O edition, Maintenance and Operations. Number 1, I am pleased to introduce Eddie Carbajal, our Director of Maintenance and Operations.
Hi, my name is Eddie Carbajal. I am the Director of Facilities, Maintenance, and Operations of our school district. I have been working at FSD for 16 years. The departments I oversee are custodians, grounds, maintenance workers, skilled trades including a plumber, HVAC technician, electrician, locksmith, irrigation specialist, and painters. Our department is responsible for the daily maintenance repairs of the entire district.
Number 2, we have an extensive grounds and gardening crew. Here's more about that.
Our grounds department is responsible for maintaining over 60 acres of grass, along with trimming and caring for all planters of our campuses. That's about 45 football fields. Here's a picture of our tractor that they use to do that, a John Deere 5090.
Number 3, we have custodians that take care of our schools during the day and night. Here's more from Eddie.
Our custodians are responsible for the daily cleaning of all classrooms, kitchens, restrooms, MPRs, media centers, and offices. Their work ensures all students and staff members arrive each day to a clean, safe, and welcoming school environment. Our department is also responsible to emergencies when needed. Our facilities maintenance and operations team work behind the scenes to make sure our schools are safe, clean, and ready for learning.
This is Dr. Chad signing out from the FSD 3 in 3 M&O edition. We'll see you next time.